Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to log in into your farmer's insurance account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So the first step is search for farmer's insurance login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says farmers.com, log into your farmer's account, click on it. It'll take you to the official website to farmer's insurance, from where you guys can log in into your account. Now once you're over here where it says username, enter the username of your account. And after you enter the username, clicking continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your farmer's insurance account. And if you forgot the username, you can click on forgot username. And this option will be available once you enter an incorrect username over here. And for password, it's going to be available in the same location. So that's how you guys can log in into your farmer's insurance account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.